Hi, and welcome to the next lesson in SOLIDWORKS Advanced Part Modeling. In this lesson, we're going to look at Section 1, Exercise 5, Modeling Negative Space. So let's get into it. In this exercise, the combine feature is used to subtract one solid body from another in order to remove internal volume. The internal body, the core provided, is modelled as solid prior to subtracting it from the solid block. So let's get started. So we'll start by drawing a sketch on the top plane. And we just do a 2-point rectangle. And we can align this up with the edges. So if I just select the edge of that and that. And collinear, and do the same on all the rest. And that's that. So we can exit the sketch and extrude this. So we're going to extrude it in two directions. So we're going to extrude it up to the top of that surface, which is the top of that little manifold. And in the second direction, then we're going to extrude 30. And then don't forget to uncheck merge results. And that gives us 3 solid bodies or 2 little manifolds and that. And then we're just going to do a combine. So instead of combine, we're going to common, we're going to use subtract. So the main body is going to be that. And then the bodies to subtract are going to be, it's easier. Click OK. And that's that part complete.